Top 7 Foods for Stronger Bones and Joints. Maintaining strong bones and healthy joints is crucial at every stage of life. Whether you're a young adult building your future health foundation or a senior aiming to stay active and independent, achieving optimal bone and joint health isn't just about exercise. It's deeply connected to our consumed foods. In this video, we'll guide you through 7 powerhouse foods to help fortify your bones and keep your joints flexible and pain-free. 1. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining bone strength and overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness associated with conditions like arthritis. Furthermore, vitamin D plays a crucial role in enhancing the absorption of calcium in your body, making your bones stronger and more resilient. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adequate intake of omega-3s can improve bone density and significantly reduce the risk of fractures, making salmon an invaluable addition to your diet. Tip: aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. For a flavorful and nutritious meal, try it grilled, baked, or in a hearty salad. 2. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are not only visually appealing, but also packed with vital nutrients like calcium and vitamin K. Calcium is a well-known player in bone health. In contrast, vitamin K is crucial for bone mineralization, helping to keep your bones strong and healthy. Several studies have shown that higher vitamin K intake is associated with increased bone density and a lower risk of fractures, especially in older adults. Regular consumption of these greens can contribute significantly to your overall bone health. Tip: incorporate a variety of leafy greens into your salads, smoothies, and stir-fries to maximize your nutrient intake and enjoy diverse flavors and textures. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, are renowned for their high calcium content, which is fundamental for maintaining bone mass and strength throughout your life. Additionally, these dairy products provide protein necessary for the repair and maintenance of bone tissue, making them a complete source of nutrition for bone health. The benefits of dairy extend beyond just calcium, as many dairy products also contain vitamin D, which works synergistically with calcium to bolster bone density. Tip: opt for low-fat or fat-free versions of these products to reap the benefits without the extra calories. Enjoy a yogurt parfait layered with fresh fruits or a slice of cheese with whole grain crackers as a nutritious snack. 4. Almonds. Almonds are not only delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse for bone health. These small nuts contain calcium, magnesium, and protein, all of which support bone strength in various ways. Magnesium plays a key role in the absorption of calcium, ensuring that it gets utilized effectively in your body. Moreover, almonds are rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack. Their versatility allows them to be easily integrated into various dishes, enhancing flavor and nutrition. Tip: keep a small bag of almonds handy for a quick, nutritious snack. You can add them to oatmeal, salads, or yogurt for a crunch and health boost. 5. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, crucial for joint health and overall well-being. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the integrity of cartilage, the rubbery tissue that cushions your joints, preventing wear and tear over time. Moreover, bone broth contains amino acids that support the body's repair processes and can promote gut health. This comforting drink can be a nourishing addition to your diet, especially on colder days. Tip: sip on warm bone broth as a comforting drink, or use it as a flavorful base for soups and stews, enhancing your daily meals with its beneficial properties. 6. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production. Collagen provides structure to bones and joints, making them resilient and flexible. In addition to supporting bone health, vitamin C has powerful antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and protect joints from damage caused by free radicals. Oranges are not just tasty, they also offer hydration and can brighten up your meals with their vibrant color and flavor. Tip: enjoy fresh oranges as a snack, add them to salads for a refreshing twist, or drink a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice to boost your vitamin C intake and overall health. 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, and herring are delicious and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce joint pain and stiffness by combating inflammation. Regularly consuming these fish can help maintain joint health and prevent conditions such as arthritis, making them a smart choice for those looking to support their musculoskeletal system. Additionally, fatty fish are a great source of high-quality protein, essential for repair and growth. Tip: include fatty fish in your weekly meal plan to enjoy their health benefits. Try grilling, baking, or incorporating them into dishes like fish tacos or pasta for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Conclusion: prioritizing your bone and joint health through your diet is a proactive step towards a healthier, more active lifestyle. Incorporating these 7 nutrient-rich foods into your meals can strengthen your bones, keep your joints flexible, and significantly reduce the risk of fractures and joint pain. Remember, a balanced diet supports your physical health and contributes to your overall well-being and quality of life. Ready to improve your bone and joint health? Add these foods to your shopping list today and experience the remarkable difference in your health.